Hello everyone, this is Dor. I'm here at Peninia, Sintra. It's a very beautiful, special place. There is all these huge rocks here that nobody really knows how they got here. It's like these huge rocks that looks like they don't belong anywhere. More huge than this. Only in the beginning here. And I want to talk to you about a very cool thing that you can do. So sometimes we feel that we are like out of battery. So it's like the out of battery of the phone. So we're not charged and our energy is not there. And we might feel stuck. We might feel tired, no energies, just depleted. And it can be something that we don't really understand where it comes from, and something really cool that we can do. And I do it sometimes. I started to do it recently, and someone recommended to me about this place, about Peninia, to do it here, is to lay on the ground, just lay on a rock or something like this. For example, here there's this huge rock and I'm just gonna lie on it, and what happens is that the earth has this frequency and your body has this frequency too. It's a natural frequency of things, and once you lay on the ground, so your whole body gets synchronized with that frequency. So it's like you're in a rhythm from the ground, and this rhythm is making the rhythm inside of you back to its natural rhythm. So it maybe slow down or change your frequency in a way that is more natural for you. And it can really help with if you feel anxiety or you're feeling depleted of energy and you don't know why. It's one quick thing that you can do. Just lay down on the ground. And just for a few minutes, you can close your eyes and just let your body synchronize with the earth. Mama Nature is so a big part of us, and we can just lay down like this and just close our eyes and feel that we're being held by Mother Nature. And it's such an amazing feeling to feel like you're being held, and you put all your worries, all this stuff in like this big energy ball, and you throw it away for a while. It's gonna come back, but you just like let it go for now. You send it back to the source. Just lay down like this, and it feels so good. It feels like you can do it anywhere, by the way. It doesn't have to be a forest. It can be on a beach somewhere, on a mountain, just like in a park, on the grass in your local park. Just as long as you lay down close to the ground. And actually, interesting enough that even in the yogic tradition, let's call it tradition, yogis talk about sleeping close to the ground. So they always sleep with this, like, I've been in a yogic ashram. They sleep on like this thick mattress on the ground because they want to synchronize with this energy field that the earth has. So yeah, try it for a few minutes. You can do it every day. You can do it once a week. It's a new activity. Just go into nature and just lay down on something. Let your whole body get synchronized. And I hope you're gonna try it and experiment with that. Enjoy it. Let me know what you think about it and how did it feel for you in the comment below. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.